What's that?
That's what I say, that motor, the F-Zomb50 is really, really hurt. Maybe? Well, the old F-Zomb50 is right where I left her because she don't run anymore. We're gonna fix that. Yep, that's right. Love it or hate it. The F-Zomb50s. Join the dark side. We're gonna make this Vortec a Ford Tech. So as you can see, you got a little hooey there on the side. Good running engine, good shifted transmission. So hey, it makes a good donor for a vehicle that can really use a good engine transmission at this point. So we're gonna get tearing this thing down, and all we're gonna do is do it on time lapse. So sit back and enjoy. We're gonna get our hands dirty.
Not like that, I can't.
That blade's for cutting around corners now. Just like that, we got access to the F-Zomb50's new power plant and transmission and transfer case for now.
Oh, yeah, no. Getting rid of that one. You ain't using that one.
No, we ain't using that one.
Nah.
Yeah, screw that one. We ain't using that one. That's junk.
Yeah.
So as a trained mechanic, watching me work on stuff, kind of like watching a monkey humble football, isn't it?
No, you do good.
Not that bad.
Yeah. I mean, you're not used to working necessarily on Chevys or this vintage, and you don't know where any of my tools are, so you're doing just fine.
Good.
There's people that are definitely useless. And not only are they useless, they find a way to be right in the f***ing way all the time. It's like, dude, not only are you useless, you are right where I need to be right now.
So you're less than useless.
Yeah, you're less than useless. Yeah, it's typically customers that want to watch or claim to help. I'll help too. No, you won't.
I remember this. I was at this one garage that had a sign, you know, like an hourly rate. It was like, you know, $100 for me to work on it, $150 if you wanted to help, $200. Oh,
I'm stuck behind my grinder.
Yeah, that's probably it. It's like $200 if you worked on it already.
Yeah, if you tell me how to do it. It's like, if you could be any help at all, you do it yourself, bud. What the hell you mean you help me? I don't need help.
You're here for a reason, man.
You want to help me? Get the hell away. Usually, it's like, very few people are ever helpful, I guess. Now it's ready. Damn, I love LS swapping. This is cool.
Dude, I don't know what I do with power. I was
Start saving up for some axles, baby.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 1 tons are on the short list of things to get.
Might use up a few more drivetrain parts than you're used to, but that's all right.
We'll try to
learn as we go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Fender arch delete.
There.
Look at that.
I don't know if the tail end is broken before that or not.
Oh man, we're like body man, dude. That's factory straight.
Alright, well I think we're ready for chair kicker.
Alright.
Another chain. That's right where it needs to be.
Oh, she's happy now.
Yep. Yeah, see if we can muscle it out of there, I guess.
If it falls, I'll catch it. This way more.
Yeah, we'll go that way. Yeah, should work.
Are we having?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Alright, let's see if my skills are skillful.
Yeah, well, give me a second here. Maybe throw a couple blocks of wood under there where it wants them. Not sure where I ended up with the blocks of wood either.
Ready? Yep.
White digits.
Get your way.
Okay.
That's okay.
That's okay. It should go right down on the oil pan. Hopefully everything else is out of the way.
Oh, that's like,
Yep, go ahead and
just let it rip.
should be good. Cool. And she's in her permanent leaking place for a minute.
There we go. Nice.
Yeah, no big deal.
Not bad.
Nope. I don't know what time it is.
It's
probably
a
noon.
little bit afternoon, I think. That's how I'm looking at the time. 11:30. Yep, that's 12:03.
12:03.
Not too bad.
No. I gotta get the camera and tell people. Alright.
Engine's out. We're moving on to phase 2 of this project. But before that, holy smokes, I gotta get this area cleaned up. So we ain't wearing this. Oh, look at that. Chrome will get you home. It got me here anyway, but it ain't get me much further. This motor is officially toast. So yeah, we're moving to the future with fuel injected LS power. But all this gotta go. Like by all this, I mean all this mud. You gotta get all this mud off. So work on something cleaner. So I'm gonna get the power washing. looks cleaner even through my speckled glasses here. Still got the sprinkler underneath to get the undercarriage a little bit cleaner. Final rinse, so we're gonna let this kind of drip dry a little bit, move it up into the garage and start getting the old FE out of here.